Here are the goats on the farm. Ce sont les chèvres à la ferme où on travaille. On est arrivé le 11 août et on reste jusqu'à le 15 septembre. Et ça c'est le petit bébé Caprico et ses parents qui sont là. Et ça c'est la frontière qui m'a choquée. Here's the farm. He's talking to us. What up, man? Hey. Beautiful sunset. Beautiful. Best skies I've ever seen. Doudrac, France. Small town, very small town. Love the house, so pretty. Go see the ducks, the dukes. Bye goats. They follow me. Heel! You following me? I'm sorry, I'm not gonna feed you. He busted through the fence the other day. It was scurry. I had to hold him by his horns. He was bucking me. And the dukes. Hi ducks, what up? Hey guys, what's going on? Here the ducks in the pond. Big chillin'. What up, yo? And the baby dukes. Hi, babies. I like to fuck with those guys because they're annoying, but super cute. Babies, come here. Fell in the hole. Try to get them to come up. The chickens. Olivia needs to be in this video because I'm here with Olivia. This fucker. Fast motherfucker. What up? I get your ass. Chicken's about to go to bed because it's getting dark. This fucker wants in. I'll let you in, you dumbass. You fucking dumbass. I hate ya. Okay. Baby ducks usually come up to me when I come here. Come on. This is a long ass video.